And Daropa Azikuda hits the ground in the early part, moving up. Pretty Bull not the outside. Chagalas, in touch of Glory flying up. Barkadahan sneaking out in the railer. And going along for the first turn, Pretty Bull just in front. Barkadahan at and Azikuda rushing up now. Touch of Glory at Chage flying hope. And last Hazima. Pretty Bull in front by Alang as they hit the back stretch. Pretty Bull leading behind flying at Chage. Now from the outside, Touch of Gloria. Alang Kanaya Barkadahan alongside Azikuda. Here comes Flying Hope and last Hazima. Nearing the last 600. Pretty Bull Touch of Glory now for the outside at Chage. 4 lengths back Azikuda moving up Flying Hope. Inside the last 600, Pretty Bull in front by half length. Touch of Glory giving a challenge now the outside towards the final turn. Touch of Glory, Pretty Bull finding it out for the Touch of Glory, now the outside, and Pretty Bull running by the wheel. Pretty Bull, Touch of Glory, 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 and finally Touch of Glory, Pretty Bull. Flying Hope to Azikuda, Barkadahan, last Hazim at Chage.
5, 4, 6, 2, 1. Unofficial. Yeah.